Hi, my name is Noah, and this video is on graphing the curves of parametric equations. What are parametric equations? Parametric equations are equations where the values x and y depend on another variable. Normally, in parametric equations, they are split into two sets of equations, with the equations usually being x equals f of t and y equals g of t. These two equations represent the horizontal position, x, and the vertical position, y, of an object, in this case, a ball, over time. These equations will depend on the variable called the parameter, often denoted by t, which typically represents time in this case. As time progresses, the equations will give us corresponding values for x and y, allowing us to track an object's trajectory, in the picture a ball. There are many ways to graph parametrics, but the way I like to do it is through a table because they are usually easier to plot and visualize. We are going to be using, for example purposes, the equation in the top right, x equals 4t and y equals t squared. Set up a table that contains three values, x, y, and t, which represent the respective values on a graph. Second, pick a set of values for t. These can be any values, but most of the time it's easier to plot values that are closer to the center point of a graph. For this example, I picked the numbers ranging from negative to positive 4. Now, using the values that we picked out for t, plug those values into equations. Here are the values put into x and y. After the table is filled out, we can approximate where the points on the graph will be. On the left, you can see a graph with all the points plotted. You can now sketch the point graph based on the points that are plotted, which gets you your final result, in this case, a upward-facing parabola. Thank you.